So this is Wario again here, with an update on this very windy day. And well, a huge gust just passed by, so I got my camera out, probably for no reason now, because it calmed down. Let's put this here. Oh, dang it. Pick that up later. But it just blew. It almost blew my hand off. It was so strong. That was the strongest gust of my life. So, yeah. Flat screen TV right here. You can see my reflection. La la la, la 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 la. But that was a massive wind gust. That was a huge, huge wind gust. I don't know where the heck that thing came from. Let me guess, Wario. Make another vlog? Come on. Well, Wario, I warn you, my friend. Not going anywhere with that. So it's Frank here, and I have no idea what Wario's talking about. I'm just lounging around here, lying down, enjoying this nice day, which happens to be windy. Shut up, Wario. Please, Frank. But, well... yeah. Also, another thing to mention, my W&W lamp here. I had it done yesterday. Nah. I have these switches up for testing the lamp. I still haven't tested it yet, and I haven't tested the light yet. I'm hoping to do that very soon, so that I can start making them in bulk and sell them. They look really good in your kitchen, and also if you put something in it, then it will work. But it requires a bulb. You need to put a light in there. I mean, these don't come with bulbs. Anyway, I'll give you another shot of the outside, where there are clouds just breezing past. If you're wondering why they're not a blown out highlight, this camera captures the sky really good. It has automatic adjusting brightness, so it can just adjust brightness level to focus its lighting on the clouds. Or if it gets darker, focus its lighting on me. It has auto-adjusting brightness when you use normal setting. Low light setting allows you to film in low light conditions, slowing down the film time. It slows down the frame rates to allow more light. Yeah, and I hate that filter. Yeah, Frank tried that filter when he was recording a video of a false storm that happened. And the video ended up being deleted. Frank said he didn't like how it came out. He switched to the normal filter in the middle of it. He really didn't like the low light filter at all. He said it's a disgrace to all filters of the world. So, I was playing the attachment, but this is not an attached. This is not going to be attached to the original video that was filmed this morning. This is going to be a separate part. If you're wondering. Alright, I'll give you another highlight out of the sky. Yeah, there are tons of clouds out there. It's a stupid screen. This camera focuses on everything. You don't have to do it specifically focusing on one item. It has a clear image of everything on it, because it films in 3D. So, there's a clear image of everything on this camera. It focuses their distance, well, not really on the text, but still can focus pretty well. Also focuses well up close at the same time. So I don't have to adjust the focus. Let me give you another shot from here, where it kind of illuminates through the screen. yeah, clouds up in the sky, just white plain clouds. So nothing really serious, but still, the wind is mad. The huge gust just slipped by, but I'm gonna forget about that now. Wait till the next gust comes by. Ah, excuse me, I'll take over from here on out. So as he was saying, yeah, next gust is gonna sweep by soon. I bet. So now I'm heading down to Matt's apartment. So you might wonder, it's empty. Why is he? Well, he isn't home. Matt currently isn't home. Man, sorry if the camera's not focusing well here because the sun's shining directly on me. Oh, phone. I'll just get that quickly. And they hung up just as I got to the phone. I'm always a second too late. Well, I'll take that here. I'm probably gonna leave a message anyways. So, Frank probably just explained that the apartment's empty. And, well, it's because he's in the bedroom in our apartment, the kid's bedroom. So, he is not home as of the moment. So, oh man, it smells horrible down here for a reason. I don't know why. I think I'm gonna clean this place up the best I can. This bedroom's gotta be usable again. I got like tons of cardboard boxes. Yeah, there's tons of wind. See the pool out there? I've got it on cover because I'm about to go in. And well, another gust swept by and almost blew that float right out. The wind seriously has anger issues, I'm guessing. I mean, it doesn't really have any issues. But today was not a reasonable time. I mean, not a reasonable date for it to be windy. It's the middle of the week. And this is where I get worked up the most. And for those who want to see, this is my W&W fan broken. And well, I haven't been working on it for a while, so it's in even worse condition now. The blades are sagging a lot more because, well, of the heat and because of how poorly they're built. And well, the mounting bracket isn't even all the way up on the ceiling. It's like dangling off. So, I'm gonna consider doing more repairs on that later. Because, it's in horrible condition. Also, for wonders, my W&W original used to be up here, but its mounting bracket is bad too, and because of that, it wasn't even hanging off. It completely fell down. And if you want, and for those who want to see it in person, because it's down. Hang on, pull chain's tangled. Here it is, my W&W original in person. I'm gonna try my best to mount back up. If I don't succeed in that, then I'll replace it with this fan that has a light kit. And I'll use better mounting techniques. So that's it, guys. For this windy day, this is what I've got so far. If I happen to find this camera again in another huge wind gust, then I will make another update video. But for now, that's it, and thank you for watching. Please be sure to leave a like. Also, please be sure to subscribe if you want all the latest videos from us. And also, please comment if you think, well, you had a day this bad. Because the wind is pretty intense and strong. But apart from that, just thank you for watching anyways.